Good morning, Mrs. Jones. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great. My name's Karina. I'm going to be your nurse. I'm going to check your ID. Can you state your name and date of birth, please?
Yes, my name's Mrs. Jones and my date of birth is October 9th, 1998.
Okay, thank you. Today I've been instructed to assess your abdomen and bowel sounds. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm going to provide privacy and wash my hands. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to look, listen, and then feel, okay? If that's okay with you.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, first I'm going to look at your abdomen for any bruising, any rashes, your skin tone, any sores or lesions, and any disformities. Everything looks good. Now I'm going to listen with the stethoscope with the diaphragm to detect any high-pitched sounds. Okay, everything sounds good. Now I'm going to palpitate the abdomen lightly to identify any painful or tender areas and locate any masses or normal collections of fluid. As I begin this, I'm going to start in the right lower quadrant and move in sequence up to the right upper quadrant and then the left upper quadrant and then finally the left lower quadrant. Are you having any pain?
No.
Okay. Is there any questions that you have for me?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'm just going to clean my work site. I'm going to position you back to the way you were. Here's your call light. Here's your table. Do you have any questions for me before I go?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm just going to document what I have. If you need anything, let me know.
Okay, thank you.